Hey guys, I'm doing my lubrication system, practical Rubric here. So let's start it. Here I got my 2014 BMW 328i. First I'm gonna talk about the location of the oil pressure switch, which we can really see here because it's actually beside the oil sub, so we'll be at the bottom. So that switch is connected to the ECM. Next, we're gonna talk about location on the of the oil filter, which will be this housing here. It has a anti-drawback diaphragm in there. So yep, the coolant goes through here, through the oil filter. After that, I'm gonna show you guys where's the PCV valve, which will be the positive crankcase ventilation valve. It's right here. So what it does is it allows the gas escape, because in some case the gas from the piston, the gas from the combustion will travel through the piston rings and then end up in the crankcase. And those gas keep building up in the crankcase. It will causing too much pressure inside the crankcase, which might damage the seal gasket, even the oil system. So that's why we need that to allow the gas to come out, go back to the intake manifold, so the combustion can burn it again. And then we will talk about the operation and the needed for the pressure relief device in the oil pump. Because oil pressure is very important for the engine. If too much pressure in the engine, it could cause engine failure because the pressure is too high. It's gonna damage the gasket and the seal and even the rings inside the engine. So that's why we need a pressure relief device. What the pressure relief device works, it's if the oil pressure inside the system start building up to like a certain pressure, and then it will squeeze the valve to allow the oil going through that passage instead of going to the pump. So what it does is the oil squeeze it, push the valve, so it travels through the passage down to the oil sub, or it goes to the bottom of the oil pump. So then we won't have too much oil pressure building up to the oil system. And for this car, if we want to test the oil pressure, we need to remove this oil filter housing, and then we need to hook on an SST through here, and then connect it to the scanner. That's the only way we can check the oil pressure in this car. So what you need is, BMW has a special tool. So we take out the oil filter housing, put the SST here, connect it to the scanner, and then we check the pressure from there. And also this car doesn't have a dipstick, So for oil level, you have to check it inside the car through that infotainment system as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the lubrication system practical rubric. Thank you.